Hello guys, in this video we are going to show you how to find the volume of a prism and surface area of a prism. So here we have a triangular prism. Now we will use this equation. A stands for the area of this cross section, the area of the cross section, so this area, and L stands for the length, which is this side. This applies to any prism. This applies to cuboid, pentagonal prism. It applies to any prism. It's just a simple rule. So here we find the area, which will be 5 multiplied by 10 over 2, because area of a triangle equals A equals base times height all over 2. That's the area of the triangle. So multiply, so we'll get 50 over 2, which will equal to 25. So 25 multiplied by 20, which that will be equal to 500. 20, that will be equal to 500. 500, that will be equal to 500. So the volume is 500 centimeters cube. 500. That's the answer. Now if we want to find the surface area, we have to find the area of both of the triangles, which will be 50. So the triangles are 50 plus, we'll have to find but be careful here, because the bottom one, it's 200, so you have to multiply. So area of the rectangle equals length times width, LW, for the rectangle is LW, which is that area. So we'll have to put 10 multiplied by 20, which will be 200, plus the area of these two rectangles. But be careful, guys. Common mistake here is that they would multiply this bottom one by 3 and say, they're all the same, but they're not. Here we have to use Pythagoras to find this length. To find the hypotenuse, so we have to find h. So it's a 5 by 5 square. So that will be, I'll do it over here, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now we'll do 5 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. Now we'll square root, that will be 100. So the answer will be 10. So the answer is 10. So we'll get an answer of 10 for the hypotenuse. So h equals 10. The hypotenuse. The hypotenuse will be 10 on this triangle. So we'll get 10. So now we can find because this is an equilateral triangle, it's all the sides are equal, so we have to multiply this by 3. So to multiply this by so we'll have to add, we find this, the area of this one, which will be 200, because 10 multiplied, the hypotenuse multiplied, that will be 200, plus 200. So 200 plus 200, because this one will be the same, plus 200, that's 2000, sorry, plus 200. So the surface area of this prism, this applies to any prism. So the surface area of this prism will be, let me calculate, 650. So therefore the answer will be 650 centimeters squared.